Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because I have been wanting to renovate the downstairs half bath since we moved here a year ago. We had our home built and although the bathrooms are nice, I wanted to change it up to my style. It is finally complete and had to share it with you all. If you're renovating your bathrooms as well, I hope this gives you inspiration and you can take something from this. I changed all of the builder's hardware, the faucet, mirror, and lighting, and it gave the bathroom a completely different look without breaking the bank. I wanted to keep it budget friendly because things can get pricey, so I purchased things from all of my favorite stores, and I'm going to share with you what I did to save money on the lighting that inspired this entire bathroom makeover. My favorite shopping app is ShopTagger. I absolutely love them because it's a web and mobile app to notify you when things you have been wanting go on sale. To download ShopTagger, all you have to do is click the Get the button and install it to your computer. Simple as that, you're ready to start shopping from your favorite stores. I'm going to search for Lamps Plus because it's my favorite place to purchase lighting from. All of my lighting are from them because of how original and elegant their pieces are. They have a huge variety of lighting and home decor, so if you're in the market, I highly recommend them. My bathroom was inspired by the lighting I chose because it is very glam and elegant, so if you're trying to decide what style to go with, I recommend picking out your lighting first and then go from there. This is the lighting I picked out for the bathroom, and although it's a great price, I wanted to save it in my ShopTagger cart by clicking the button on the web browser up top to get notified when the price drops. It went on sale and I was notified immediately. You can get notified for any price change, then hit save and it is saved into your ShopTagger cart. You can also get notified when an item you have been wanting comes back in stock. These are some of the things I have in my cart already. Another thing that I really enjoy is making different lists to what I plan to purchase. This helps me to stay organized while shopping. I will leave the link to download ShopTagger in my description box, so make sure you check it out to start saving money. Thank you ShopTagger for sponsoring this video. Now let's go ahead and get into the DIY bathroom makeover. I've missed you guys and I appreciate the messages and comments letting me know you miss me too and are thinking of me as well. I wanted to take a break and enjoy the time with my family because you can't get time back. My husband was on vacation, then we had family visiting from out of the country. It was my birthday month and then it was my baby's first year birthday. So we have been soaking in all of these wonderful moments in our lives. I will be sharing where I purchased everything from, starting off with this chrome toilet paper holder. I got it at the Home Depot. I really like this one because I can lift the bar up instead of taking the entire bar out, which I'll show you later on in the video. The towel ring is from Home Depot as well, and the switch covers. They had an all mirror cover instead, which is really nice as well, but I love the extra detail these have. Next, I purchased the bath mats from HomeGoods as well as the soap dispenser. The big bath mat is $14.99 and the smaller one is $9.99. This acrylic soap dispenser was $12.99. One of my favorite purchases I made for this bathroom was the mirror that I found from HomeGoods for such an incredible deal, you guys. It was marked down to $45 from $100, and they said it's been there since October, so since nobody bought it, they marked it even more after so long. So make sure you always check your clearance section for those amazing deals. Here's some clips of my husband working on all the changes we wanted. Starting off, he's painting, and this color will be in the description box if you're interested in it. I wanted to make sure that this color was light and neutral because the space is small and it made such a beautiful difference. I never knew how all the towel rings were installed, so seeing my husband take the towel ring off was a learning experience for me. And it's super easy to give your bathroom a glam update on a budget. We picked out the pewter color in the house details, but I never liked the accessories the builder gave us for the bathrooms, so I knew they had to go when the time came, and this was very affordable to upgrade. Little details like this make such a huge difference, as you can see. This is a miter saw we used to make all the wood cuts. We wanted crown molding and wainscoting in here because the bathroom felt really boring, and even though we have high ceilings, it felt like the space wasn't to its full potential having walls without crown molding. This detail takes the room to another level. My husband has installed all of this by himself. He has done all of the crown molding and wainscoting in the kitchen, living room, baby's room, and hallway for now. It can get pricey, so we've tackled one room at a time. Here's one more recap of how the bathroom looked before. And here's the after. I'm so happy with how this guest bathroom turned out. I want to thank my husband for such an incredible job on all of the hard work to make this possible. This is exactly how I envisioned this small space to turn out, but it turned out even better. Even though it's a small half bath downstairs, it definitely brings the wow factor, and that's what I was going for. I'm so happy I went with this sliding because it's absolutely stunning. The crystals are high quality and I love the way it made the entire room come together. The most expensive part for this renovation was all the wood we bought from Lowe's for the crown molding and wainscoting. It was definitely well worth it because it adds value to our home and we love the outcome. That's a win-win. I purchased some additional decor for the bathroom and I shot my home as well. The white wooden shelf was a DIY. It was originally beige and gold, but I painted it white. It was in my baby's closet sitting on the floor because I had bought a canopy to read books with her under it, and I didn't have a place for it anymore, so I knew this would be the perfect spot for it. This white tree is a recent purchase from HomeGoods. As soon as I saw it, I knew it would be perfect for this little corner. I was going to put a nesting table here, so I may switch it out when I find the right one, but for now this works. The bottom of the base is really nice. Z Gallery has a very similar tree to this one and it's a couple $100, so this was a nice find for $79.99. Here's how the bath mats look. They're very comfortable and I'm going to be changing the floors later on, so I will be showing you guys an update on that. Here's the new toilet paper holder and I'm going to show you how it comes up, which is really convenient. It just lifts up and there you go. Here's the trash can I have in the corner. It's the DIY I did a year ago with real wood, and I'm going to have the link to it in the description box if you're interested in how to make it. The new covers look so elegant and I love the chrome look. This is the results to the rest of the pieces we are so happy with. These towels are from HomeGoods. I've had them for about a year now. I had them upstairs in my other guest bathroom, but I recently saw them at my store, so if you're interested in them, make sure to check your stores. This wallflower fragrance is from Bath & Body Works. It was a gift for my birthday and it's the perfect spot for it. faucet is by the brand Delta and I purchased it from Home Depot. I really like how tall it is because the one I had before it was very short that my hands would touch the bottom of the sink sometimes. I'll be picking out different faucets for the upstairs bathrooms as well, and I really look forward to sharing those with you guys. The acrylic soap dispenser was a great find as well. I like how simple it is but very elegant. This flower arrangement was a recent find I found at Burlington for $14.99. I found 2 of these apothecary jars at HomeGoods. They were $12.99 each, and I store here my cotton balls and then Q-tips on the upper shelf. These hand towels were also a purchase from HomeGoods that I got for $6.99. This mosaic mirror wall art is from Ross that I've had for a couple years now. I see it every so often come back in stores, so keep your eye out. This is a similar one to the one from Pier 1. This concludes the DIY bathroom makeover. I hope you guys enjoyed and got some ideas to renovate your bathroom as well. Let me know what was your favorite update and if you would like to see more reno projects from my husband and I. We are redoing our master closet, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. I want to thank everybody who's always showing their love and support. I appreciate everybody who takes the time to come here and watch my videos. It really means so much. Remember to download ShopTagger. The link is in my description box so you can get notified when an item you want goes on sale and helps you save money. I'll talk to you guys very soon in my next video. Take care.